Are you a personal trainer? Have you thought about getting your own mobile app to bring your fitness business into the digital world? Imagine somewhere you could record your workouts, upload to the app, and charge people a monthly fee to access your incredible content. Selling access 24/7 even while you sleep. Upload your workouts for private members only, giving your clients their own unique login. And access to your online workouts, your classes and workout schedule. And with your new app, you can even stream your live workouts via Zoom. Add your own merch store with access to your own fitness accessories, apparel, or supplements. Your own mobile app creates unlimited amounts of potential income for your business. Your app comes fully branded with your custom logo, theme, and style, and is available on all platforms including the Apple and Google App Stores. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and bring your fitness business into the modern digital world.